Hello, my name is Graham McAllister and I'm going to be showing you how to install and use Libby. This is for Android phones. If you own an iPhone, please see the other video. Libby is a free app provided by the library that allows you to read ebooks and listen to audiobooks on your mobile device. In this video I'm going to be going over how to read them on your smartphone or tablet, but reading them on your Kindle is also an option. Using Libby with the Kindle will be covered in another video. Since this video is for Android phones, we're going to start by going to the Play Store. This is slightly different on every phone, but on mine I swipe up from the home screen, scroll down, and tap Play Store. From there I search for Libby and hit Install. Once the app is downloaded, we're going to go back to the home screen and open it. Libby will first ask if you have a library card. Tap on Yes. Next it needs to know which is your library system. We'll hit I'll search for library. Type Marple into the box and tap on Delaware County Library System. Now tap on Enter Library Account Details and type in your library card number to the box. Press Next. Libby allows you to check out two types of materials, ebooks and audiobooks. Ebooks are just like a physical book except that you're reading it on your mobile device. Audiobooks are read to you with speakers or headphones. Libby gives you quite a few options to find books that interest you. The first and most straightforward is the search box at the top. It allows you to search by author, title, and series. If you hit Explore, it allows you to filter with a few preset categories, including popular and new. If you scroll down and tap Explore More Subjects, it allows you to filter by subject. Within the subject filter or any of the filters on the Explore tab, you can tap on Refine and use the options there to narrow your results even more. This allows you to search for a specific author in the fiction section, for example. Libby functions the same as a real library with one major difference. There's a set number of books available, and those currently checked out can be placed on hold. You can see the estimated time before a book is available if you tap on the calendar icon. If you're finished with a book, you can return it early by tapping on Manage Loan. The major difference between Libby and a physical library is that books don't need to be returned. Once your loan is up, the book will be automatically returned. This means that there are no fines. Books are on loan for 14 days, but this can be extended if there are no holds on it. Now we're going to find a book and go over how to actually read it. Since we just need something for the demo, we'll go to Explore and What's Available. Since we're getting an ebook, we'll hit Available Books. Everything you see here would be the same regardless of what category you're in. You can read a sample before you take the book out or place a hold on it by pressing the Read Sample button. It's also possible to add tags to the book with the Tag button. Tag books are visible in your shelf. You can create a tag for favorites by tapping on the Tag button and hitting Add. Type in favorites and press Create Tag. We'll borrow this book by hitting Borrow and then Borrow again. From there, we'll hit the back arrow in the upper left corner and tap on Shelf in the lower right corner. To actually read the book, tap Read With. Since we're going to read it on this device, tap Libby. From there, it will download the book and you'll be able to read it. To open or dismiss the menus at the top and bottom of the screen, tap in the center. To advance forward a page, tap on the right side of the screen. To go back, tap on the left. You can bookmark a page by opening the menu and tapping on the bookmark button in the top right. The button just to the left of that allows you to see all available bookmarks. The capital letter A lets you change visual settings. Text scale and lighting are the two you'll probably want to start with. You can also pick a design or font from the options at the bottom. The menu at the bottom allows you to quickly navigate through the book. Tap and hold on the bars to quickly pick a page, and tap on the buttons next to the chapter's text to skip forwards and backwards a chapter. The magnifying glass lets you search for words within the book. Open the menu and tap on the back button in the upper left-hand corner when you're finished reading the book. We'll now go over how to listen to an audiobook. This is very similar to reading an ebook. We'll again go to Explore and then What's Available to find an audiobook. You can play a sample and attach a tag just like you can on the ebooks. We'll hit Borrow to borrow the book. From there we can go back to the shelf and open the audiobook. The controls are fairly similar to reading an ebook. You can drag the bars at the bottom to scroll through and skip around the chapters with the same buttons as on the ebook. There is a button at the top that allows you to adjust playback speed. This is great if the narrator is talking too slow or too fast. Use the large play pause button in the middle to start or stop playback. The buttons flanking it allow you to quickly jump forwards or backwards 15 seconds. This is great if you miss something. There are a couple methods to see if you've read a book before. When you're looking at the book, it will let you know when you returned it if you've read it before. If you go to the shelf and then scroll down to see your timeline, it will let you see a history of all previous loans and returns. You can look at holds, loans, and tags from the shelf. Just tap on the appropriate category and you're good to go. And this concludes the basics on using Libby. I hope you found this video helpful.